Welcome to 52 Solutions for Homeschool Moms. The problem we're facing today is students who can't focus or have poor learning stamina. And the solution? Teach grit. I'm Diane Holt at tutorsolutions.net. What's grit? It's learning stamina. The ability to attend to tasks for extended periods of time and see those tasks to completion. True, learning stamina is dependent on the child's age, health, personality, their interest in the subject, ability to focus, emotional well-being. Well, a lot of things play into grit. That being said, grit is a skill. Like all skills, it can be taught, practiced, and improved. So let's teach grit. This is the house of grit. Let's look at the yellow. Yellow is at the bottom, and it is a place where students have no energy. They are dozing. It's taken way too long to finish tasks, and they may never get the task completed. Orange is where the kid is drifting off, dawdling, not focused. Green is where students need to be. This is where students learn. Their eyes are on teacher, things are getting done, they're learning, they're productive. Purple. The kid is easily distracted, and they might be distracting others. It takes way too long to do work, or else they're rushing through their work. Red. This is where you hear the whining. I can't do this. Arguing, complaining. There may even be papers being thrown around the room. And that's the house of grit. Now it's time to present it to your family. As you gather them around, have them help you with the different sections. Explain that the green section is where we show grit and how we're going to improve on grit. Explain them that grit is their stamina to learn. Explain, though, that you're there to help them, and as a mother, you want to increase their grit by giving them little reminders. You'll award them points or prizes, whatever it takes. As a family, you're in this together, and you want to show grit at homeschool. Now, there are only two rules that you must follow. The first rule is that no child is allowed to correct a sibling. And the second rule is that it is meant not to be punitive. It is meant to be a learning thing where children can regulate their own behaviors. And children are going to slide. And why? Because they are children. And so your job is to help them in their efforts. Use good humor, use encouragement. And when things get out of whack, use a brain break. Brain break. They're phenomenal. They reset energy, improve focus, and help learning retention. There's hundreds of brain breaks available on the internet. Check them out. A Perfect Marriage, The House of Grit, and Brain Breaks. I hope you're successful in increasing the grit in your homeschool. I know this will help. I've used it. Thanks for watching. Let us know how it works for your family in the comments section. If you have a problem in your homeschool that you would like us to address, or if you have a solution that has worked well for your family and would like to present it, contact me at tutorsolutions.net. As always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe.